I'm cautiously optimistic. We have been a weak state, we must admit it, and this is one of the reasons why the gangs have been able to take control of certain parts of Haiti.
What can this new force do that the previous ones apparently couldn't do?
We did not have enough people to counter the insurgency of the gangs. So we are training 4,000 new police officers that will counter those gangs.
50% of the gang members are between 13 and 18 years old. Children, as you say, are pulled into this. 1.5 million of your children don't have access to education. Is there any progress that you've made or that you can make in the immediate future to get them back into school, to, give them an opportunity, an alternative to joining these gangs?
We just restarted the CNDDR, which is Commission Nationale de Désarmement and de Réinsertion. This is a commission that's there to take the guns back from the kids and put them back to regular life. It is extremely important. The youth is the future of Haiti. We need to get them out of the gangs because right now they are being forced into the gangs. They are being used as shields, and we need to make sure as a government this is our responsibility